Taking a look at this Storm Chariot RC vehicle here. So as you can see, I'm holding in my hand, it's pretty large. It's actually a really substantial vehicle. It's very well made. Now this part on the top, you can see there's actually a piece of plastic I can peel off right here that's protecting that top, and there's actually that on all of it that I haven't really peeled off yet. But the plastic top here is actually just a facade, if you may say that, that's covering up the motor and everything that's down in there. Now you can't really see it because I haven't taken that off, and it's actually screwed on this one. Some of the others from this brand haven't been quite as well made as far as connecting the pieces. I really like the way this one's made. On the bottom here, you can see this is where the battery pack goes in, and so I'll just open that up, and you can see the battery pack that it comes with. And you can kind of feel there, you can feel there's two separate cells inside there. And this is how it connects into the vehicle. And this cable is actually used for charging. So it comes with an AC adapter for charging. The instruction manual recommends disconnecting it from the car while charging. So you just want to unplug this part, charge it here. The charger actually has a light on it that lights up red while it's charging, and then it lights up green once the charging is complete, and so you'll know when it's ready. The instruction manual says that it will last about 10 minutes on a full charge. Now that's 10 minutes worth of complete going, not turn it on, it's done in 10 minutes, because of course when you're doing things like this, usually you go for a split second, stop, go, stop, things like that. But one great thing about this vehicle is that it is four-wheel drive. So all four wheels are turned by the motor, which means that it can actually go through grass. It can go, well, it can just go. It goes super fast. So I'm actually going to pause my video at this point and get some of the car going.